I'm Jen.
And I'm Joe.
And we're Jen and Joe
on the go. Oh, man. 2 hours from St. Pete to Orlando to Disney. And I mean, 2 hours from, like, we were right off of 275 because we went from the Vinoy straight onto 275, and we were exit 62, which is one of the first Disney exits, getting onto World Drive, getting here to Coronado Springs.
I-4 is just a complete nightmare. It gets worse every trip.
And there was a huge accident.
A huge accident.
But anyway,
but we're here. We made it.
We made it.
We're at Disney World.
We made it with one additional passenger.
And
extra large.
Our room is ready.
Yeah, so we dropped off our bags at Bell Services thinking, okay, we're just gonna check in, make sure everything is cool.
Because we forgot our magic band, so we had to get key cards so eventually we could get into our room.
We forgot the magic bands.
I forgot them.
Yeah. Anyway, that's okay, dear. So, but anyway, the room was ready, so we're here in the room. So we're gonna do a room tour.
So we're in room 514 at Destino Tower at the Coronado Springs Resort.
Yes.
We walked in our door. We have this large entryway.
So why don't you show them around?
Okay, we're going to do quick version because we do have other Coronado Springs room tours on our channel. So we're going to speed through this. Ready?
Ready?
Here we go.
Go.
All right.
Okay,
so to the left we have the full bathroom.
As you first come in, spacious entryway here for your bags and your shoes. You can leave them right here. To the left is the bathroom.
Where you've got the pooper, double sinks, all the things.
All the things.
And your nice shower, stand-up shower with more things.
More things. Yeah, this is actually very spacious, very nice, very roomy. The shower is excellent. We've stayed here many, many times before, and there's a reason why we keep coming back, because the size of the room and what you get for the price.
So then you've got your cabinet, you've got your full selfie, get ready mirror, you've got your ironing board, you've got your steamer. Or is that an iron? That's an iron. Some of the resorts do have steamers. You got your safe, you got your luggage rack, extra pillow and blanket. Hangers.
Okay, you can tell somebody's hungry. She wants to go to lunch.
Another luggage rack or bench to sit on to put on your shoes.
Or my camera case.
Huge countertop with, you've got your
fridge.
You've got some storage.
Drawers. Drawers for your drawers.
You've got a beautiful king-size bed.
Yes.
With a nightstand on both sides.
Yes.
Another selfie mirror on the left with the thermostat. And then you've got a beautiful sitting area complete with couch, tables, chairs.
And this is a sofa sleeper.
Yeah.
So it actually opens up. We're not going to do that, but it does open up so you can actually sleep one or two more people on that.
And then our beautiful water view.
I love this tower. I love how the decor of it, the way everything matches up with the Spanish flair. It's a Dalí influenced, Salvador Dalí influenced decor. And I just love this view. Love everything about this resort.
It's so beautiful. So for those of you who don't know, this is a moderate resort, but staying in the tower feels more deluxe.
Yeah, definitely.
Where if you stay at the different buildings down there, those feel more moderate.
Yeah.
And they are a little bit less expensive than staying in the tower, but if I had to choose, I would pick the tower every time.
Yeah,
I just think this is such a great bang for your buck in terms of staying in a Disney resort. And if I had to recommend one, that was the bang for your buck, it would be Coronado Springs Destino Tower. It is furthest away from everything. It's close to Animal Kingdom, but there's no direct transportation besides your buses, and we all know how we feel about the buses. But hey, I'm happy to be here. We don't have to use the buses this trip, and I'm anxious to get this party started.
Yes. So overall, if you look, spacious room. That's the big thing. You've got
Plenty
more
of
room here than a lot of other Disney hotel rooms for sure.
Yeah.
So, and the bed's very, very comfortable on the raised platform, so you can actually put suitcases underneath to keep them out of the way. So, looking good, you think?
Yes.
All right, so quick and easy, down and dirty. Destino Tower hotel room tour.
Home for the next 4 nights.
Yes.
So don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell because you don't want to miss any of the next Jen and Joe on the go action, because we will do a full resort tour, but next we're going to Grand Floridian Cafe for lunch. Or should I say blunch?
Don't know where that came from. Thought it was always brunch, but there it's blunch. So, all right. I'm hungry. You hungry?
I'm starving.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go.
All right, bye guys.
Bye.